football program, it's time we put it all together. We will return to winning championships here at the University of Miami.
Feel it coming in the air, and the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill. It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem, tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
We are, yeah, I said it, we are. This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance. Get your fatigues on. All black, everything. Black cards, all black, everything. And I know the words running for me. I can't move and tap if you boys really rhythm up. This is not familiar. I'll explain later. But for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave another grip, I lost a flip with 5 stacks. Yeah, I'm talking 5,6 zeros out, zeros here. Back to run the circles round. Never squared up.
Oh my goodness! Taking it home. Touchdown. What a play! Oh! Right back, right circle. That's open. Wow! We've been waiting for this moment right here all season long. All I want today is all you got. Get it for this city. Get it for each other.
Yeah.
Touchdown.
We are, yeah, I said it, we are. You can call me Caesar, in a dark Caesar. Let's follow the leader, so everything we are. Microphone fiend, it's the return of the God. He's God. It ain't nobody fresher, I'm in. Mason, Mark and Marcella on the table, screaming. The other side, they jealous. We got a blanket full of, they got a table full of fellas.
Feel it coming in the air, and the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the thrill. It's a dangerous love affair. Victories within the mile. Almost there, don't give up now. Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight. Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Touchdown. Wow. Can they catch a touchdown? Yes.
Yeah.